Here with me, I have the NIVEA Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. And I also have with me here the NIVEA Q10 Vitamin C Body Lotion. Which brightens faster? If you've ever been in the skincare store and you're wondering which of these two lotions you should go for, whether you should go for this or this, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about these two lotion. You know, on this channel we don't gatekeep, and every product I share on this channel actually product I've used. This lotion, I've not used them for just 2 days. I've practically used it for a long while. This is an evidence that I've practically used this brand a lot. And you know one thing about me, when I love a brand, I don't gatekeep. I come here and I share it with you guys. I give you guys everything you need to know. And from the excitement in my voice and on my face, you know that I actually love the brand. I will give you my detailed review on which you should go for. Okay, so now let's see what the two body lotion promises, and I will tell you guys if their claims are actually right. So let's start with the NIVEA Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. It says promises visible, radiant, even skin tone in 2 weeks, 48-hour moisturization for dry skin, and it helps repair and reduce dark spots, help protect your skin from further sun damage, and it also helps to smoothing and even out special care areas like elbow, your knees, and your knuckles. So this one promises to give an even skin tone. Okay, why this NIVEA Q10 Feminine Lotion? This one promises noticeably firm and improve skin elasticity in 10 days. And this contains vitamin C, and this also contains vitamin C. So now let's break it down based on the texture and consistency. If you see this NIVEA Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion, when it comes to the texture, this is lightweight, it's not thick, it has a runny consistency. But when it comes to the texture of this is actually very thick. Let me show you guys what I mean. If you see this, are you seeing the consistency of this? It has this running consistency and it absorbs into the skin easily. Oh my gosh, this has a runny consistency and is lightweight. Then let's compare this. This has a thicker consistency. Ooh. As you can see, I see how this one is. This is thick. It's thick. As you can see the way it is. See, this absorbs into the skin. They both absorb into the skin easily. This has a lighter texture, while this has a thicker texture. If you're looking for something that has a thick texture, you should go for this. Or if you're looking for something that has a thick consistency, you go for this. Or if you're looking for something that has a lightweight consistency, you go for this, or texture, you go for this. But when it comes to the texture, it depends on the mood I am. If I want something thick, I go for this. Maybe if my skin is feeling dry, I go for this. But if my skin is just normal, I go for this. You know, I always show on this channel that I have normal to dry skin. There's certain time my skin is always normal, I go for something lightweight. But if my skin is feeling dry, I go for this. And I mostly use them morning and night. Okay, let's compare now based on the scent. This NIVEA Q10 has this citric scent, while this has this floral scent. I love the scent of this. This is also not bad. Like, the both are very nice. As you can see, I've repurchased this one. I've also bought this like 4 or 5 of it. So I love the both of them. Then when it comes to the scent, I like the scent of this over this. So now I know you'll be wondering, these two, which one brightens faster? Yes, the both of them brighten the skin, but one gave me a faster brightening than the other. Although it's not just a one quick fix product. These two products are not products you just use once and you see results immediately. But when it comes to brightening, the both of them brightens. But I think this brightens faster than this. From what I've noticed, this NIVEA Even Glow brightens faster. Why this? When it comes to firming my skin, this firms my skin more, but this brightens my skin more. But this one actually brightens because of the vitamin C it contains. But this one brightens my skin faster. It's not faster per se, like as in I saw a noticeable difference when I used this than when I started using this. This is what I'm currently using right now. This I had to pause using this so I can use this, and I've gotten like 2. It's very nice, like it's firm my skin. And you know, in my previous video I shared I was pairing it with the Alpha Renewal body lotion. So right now I'm not looking for something that would brighten me, but after this particular routine, when I'm done with this routine, then I will go for a lightening routine. That's when I'll be using product that would lighten my skin. If you want to know the product I'll be using after this routine, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Stay on this channel, because on this channel we're giving you all the truth you need to know. We don't gatekeep on this channel. If you're an OG on this channel, you know that all what I share on this channel is truth about nothing but the truth, because all the products I use on this channel are products I've actually used. Product I will give you my honest review. If you want to know the truth about any product, this channel is the right channel you should be. And trust me, I will not mislead you, and I will never lie to you, my audience. So when it comes to brightening, this also brightens, but this brightens a little bit faster. So now, who is this lotion perfect for? If you know you have an oily skin, or you have a normal skin and you just want something lightweight, something that will just moisturize your skin, then you go for this NIVEA Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion. If your skin is dry, or you have a dry skin and you're looking for something that will moisturize your skin and hydrate your skin, then you should go for this NIVEA Q10 Feminine Lotion. These two lotions are really nice. So if you're looking for something like just a normal moisturizer, if you're an OG on this channel, you know that I like using two lotions. One moisturizer in the morning, then I can now do treatment or lightening at night. And seriously, if you implement these two body lotion methods in your skincare routine, you're going to love your skin. Your skin is going to be looking healthy, and it's going to be looking glowy, and it's going to brighten naturally. Like when they see your skin is going to be looking even. On this channel, we prioritize healthy skin. Okay, so now these two lotions, yes, they brighten, but there are certain ways you can use it to get the effect. Like it's going to help to boost the effectiveness of this lotion. One is you need to exfoliate your skin twice or three times in a week. If you know you want to use this lotion, you want to get all the benefit of the brightening effect, then you need to exfoliate your skin 3 times in a week and at night. If you exfoliate your skin and you apply this lotion, you're going to see good results. Another way to get all the benefit of this lotion, and if you want it to brighten your skin very well, please make sure you apply this lotion on a damp skin. Immediately you're coming out of the bedroom and your skin is still wet, please do well to apply any of this lotion on your skin. That's where you get all the benefit of this lotion. Don't apply this lotion on a dry skin, please, except you just don't want to get the good result you want. But if you want to get a desired result, and if you want to get the brightening effect, please make sure you apply these two lotions, in any of these lotion, on a damp skin. Vitamin C works well when your skin is damp. Okay, another way to boost the effectiveness of this lotion is you need to pair it with a brightening body oil. You know, I will not lie to you guys, so using this lotion alone will not give you that brightening effect. I will not come and gatekeep or start painting things to make it look nice. Yes, it's going to brighten your skin, but if you want it to brighten your skin faster, or you want to get the effective results or your desired results, please pair it with a good brightening body oil. You can use either the Vidgo vitamin C oil, or you can use the Moroccan vitamin C oil, or you can use the Dazian vitamin C, or any oil of your choice. Make sure you pair it with a good brightening body oil. I normally pair mine with this Vidgo turmeric oil, but if you have this, you can use this. You can also use the Vidgo vitamin C. You can use any brightening oil of your choice, and it still gets the job done. But make sure it's a brightening body oil or a lightening body oil, any one of your choice. That's how you get the effectiveness of these body lotions. Okay, and the next way to get the effectiveness of this lotion is you need to use your sunscreen. Please don't go out on the sun without your sunscreen. Sunscreen and vitamin C helps you to work effectively. When you pair your vitamin C with your sunscreen, it makes your product to work effectively, and you protect your skin under the sun. So if you're using this body lotion, make sure you use this body lotion with your sunscreen, so to help protect your skin and also help to brighten your skin. You can use this two lotion either in the morning, and you can also use it at night. Anyone I'm using, like if I want to use this, maybe this week I'll use this morning and night, or I use this morning and night, any of them. But anyone you want, you can buy it to use this in the morning, use this at night. They will still do the good job. And you know, when it comes to feminine, it's good to use feminine lotions at night. Then you can use the brightening lotion in the morning. Okay, what I don't like about this lotion, I don't like anything about these two lotions, because these two lotions are very nice. I love them. I don't have so much expectation about these lotions. I just use them, and use them, and I boost it with my body wash, exfoliate my skin, and also use a brightening body oil, and also use sunscreen, and you're going to get good results. I made a detailed video of how to boost your body lotion, your cheap or affordable body lotion. I'll link the video up here or down in the description box. Click it and watch so you can learn how to boost any body lotion of your choice. Okay, have you tried everything on your skin, from cleansers, serum, and cream, but nothing seems to be working? Come closer, let me tell you why. It's not your skin, it's not the advice. It's because 80% of products sold in Nigeria are mostly fake, expired, or diluted. That's why we created the Ola's Reality Skincare Product Package Combo, which is a direct to customer service. We'll give you a full personalized skincare product recommendation that is tailored to your skin type, your skin concern, your budget, and your skin goal. And guess what? All the products are authentic and it will be delivered to you, and you smile after getting it. We have the basic starter package, which is 75,000 naira, the intermediate plan, which is 160,000, the advanced plan, which is 260,000 to 300,000, and we have the premium plan, which is 360,000 to 600,000. Please stop gambling with your skin. Click on the link in our bio or down in the description box to order your personalized skincare box. With Ola's Reality, real skin, real results. And if you have any skin issue you're battling with, please do well to comment down below. Feel free to download our 5 days clear skin starter plan. If you want to take your skin to the next level, grab our complete ultimate guide to a flawless skin. The first 20 people to get the ebook will get a free 1-day consultation with me. Then if you want to have a personalized skincare routine tailored to your needs, and a weekly follow-up and a monthly follow-up, please click on the link to book a one-on-one consultation with us. Like this video, share this video, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, have you used this NIVEA Brightening Beauty, or have you used this NIVEA Q10 body lotion? If you have, please do well to share your experience with us in the comment section. Which is actually your favorite? Is it this or this? Share down in the comment section. Just send a fire emoji. Hope with this video I'm able to break it down which are the body lotion to go for, so in your next skincare shopping you'll know which one to include, right? So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video which I shared on how to use 2 body lotion to brighten your skin. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My battery is about to go down. Like, my battery is like 2%, so that's why I'm rushing. Okay, see you guys. Love you.